Hey guys, I'm back, and today we're taking a look at Sony's wireless noise cancelling speakers, the Sony WH1000MX3s that feature extra bass. Now these headphones basically have the same features as the WH1000MX3s. The only difference is going to be the extra bass and the actual feel and design of the headphones themselves. They still offer noise cancelling, obviously. They have the NFC option. They have the Bluetooth settings, 4 hours of charging for 30 hours of play. They also have the fast charge through the USB-C, which is 10 minutes of charging for 60 minutes of play. They're very portable as they're foldable and easy to transport. The texture is a little different, which I'll get into a little bit later. It does have a plastic feel to it and a little bit of a grainy feel to it. They do come with Alexa and Google option. They do have the same touch controls as far as skipping ahead, raising the volume, or answering phone calls. And it does come with the very cool and very practical feature of covering the right ear cup, and it mutes the sound and you can engage in the conversation. As soon as you take the right hand away, the actual sound and the music continues to play. Now it does have the custom button, which you can actually make your own custom sound through the equalizer or give it an actual setting as far as Alexa or Google enabled. It does have the power button, and if you press it long enough, it will actually set up the Bluetooth setting. There's a USB-C charge and your actual headphone input if you do want to go hardwired. You can hardwire them as well if you want a much cleaner connection than the wireless. Now there is your built-in microphone, which analyzes ambient sounds and cancels them out. As far as the design itself, very similar if not the same as the MX3s. It still has a very sturdy design when it comes to expanding the size. It does have a decent amount of give without feeling as if it would break. It has a durable headband. My downside with this is the texture. It has a very plastic, cheap feel. So keep that in mind if you're looking for luxury headphones. It comes with a carrying pouch. That's right, a carrying pouch for a pair of headphones that retails for about $299. The MX3s came with a hard carrying case, which was awesome and very practical and protected your headphones in transit. Now, as far as the included manuals, it's got the quick setup guide, the warranty, and a set of instructions. It does come with the auxiliary jack if you want to hardwire these headphones to your phone or any media playing source, and it does come with the small USB-C cable, which allows you to charge through any laptop or computer. Now, just so you can get an idea, if anyone out there that owns the MX3s and is wondering, should I upgrade? The only difference will be the bass. Everything else, I'm telling you, is identical. For anyone looking to upgrade from the MX3s for that extra bass, you should really consider, because I don't think it's really worth it. If you look at the MX3s here, the carrying case that it comes with, which is already included in the price, and the actual feel of the headphones themselves is much superior. The amount of cushion in the ear cups and the amount of cushion in the headphones is still the same, but the actual feel of the headphones themselves, much different. As you can tell, the button placement is very similar. The microphone placement is a little different on the MX3s. The cushioning, the swivel of the ear cups, it still feels very loose in both sets, but that's not a major drawback. As you can see through the close-up of the ear cups, the MX3 has a very smooth, nice finish. Whereas if I show a close-up of the XB900s, you can tell there's a little bit of grainy texture on it. I'm telling you, it has a very plastic feel to it. They both still offer the option to control your headphones or music through the right ear cup. Your finger still slides about as easily as it did on the MX3, so that different texture on the ear cup itself didn't really help as far as tactile pressure when you're actually controlling your music. So I don't know why they switched to that different look or that different feel. But the music still sounds great. The extra bass is nice if you like listening to bass-heavy music. But as far as a necessity, upgrading, I wouldn't recommend it. It's essentially the same headphone. As far as ear fatigue, I've worn these for an extended amount of time, between 4 and 6 hours. I've watched a couple movies, some videos, and you do feel a little bit of pressure, but they fit comfortably around the ear, so they're not sitting on your ear. Another awesome feature about these headphones is Sony's attention to detail when it comes to the music app. It lets you control a lot of functions on these headphones. It has the adaptive sound control, which analyzes what you're doing at the time, so it can analyze the ambient music and cancel it appropriately. It's got the sound position control, which allows you to check where you're actually hearing artificial sounds when it comes to setting up your surround sound. It has an equalizer to set your own levels and hear the music how you want to hear it. It comes with the option to set your custom button to respond to Alexa or Google, and it also has an automatic power off in which you could set the amount of time before the headphones turn off to conserve your battery life. Now overall, they're a very nice set of headphones. The features are amazing, but it's the same features in the MX3s. The only difference in the sound is going to be that extra bass, and to be honest, it's a little bass heavy. The only upgrade that I can see that's tangible is the extra bass. It does give your music an extra punch to it, but it's not necessary. The MX3 still give you great sound, and with the equalizer in the app, you can set your own bass level artificially without needing the driver itself. Now, as far as the other features, and by other feature I mean the actual feel, I don't know if they went for a coating that would allow you to have better grip or better responsiveness in the actual controls on the ear cup themselves, but it does have a plastic grainy feel to it, which I don't like. As far as a carrying pouch, I feel like that's a huge downgrade. The molded carrying case for the MX3s provided a lot of protection and made traveling with these a breeze. With that carrying pouch provided with these XB900Ns, I feel like that was a downgrade because that pouch doesn't provide any protection. Overall, I think you can get the same performance out of the MX3s by tweaking the equalizer, and you get a much better looking pair of headphones. The feel is better, and the actual molded carrying case provides protection. So I think you should stick with the MX3s, and these extra bass XB900Ns should be a pass until they actually upgrade the aesthetics to match the MX3. Hope you enjoyed the review. Hope to see you in the next one.